Wow, this is quite the unboxing, right? Was it that easy? What? Welcome back to the channel, and you find me in my 1968 Globetrotter Airstream that I did a renovation of the gorgeous kitchen. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up above. You're also finding me in the era of the season of camping. We are enjoying a bunch of vintage trailers again, but there's always one little niggly thing about camping. And for those of us that are still working, this always comes up. That is the connection to the outside world. And yes, we're camping for that exact reason, to get away from the world. Really, most of us have to check in and want to check in, even if it's kids or family or elderly parents or whatever. We want to stay connected and probably shouldn't be disconnected for too long. Listen, we've, I think, grown accustomed to just enjoying a movie late at night or what have you, and you don't always have the DVD or the download ready. Guess what I did? I invested in a the Starlink Mini. I want to see just how easy it is to hook this up as a plus 50 on my plus 50 audience, and I just want to unbox it and let's go through this together and just see how easy it is. The only thing I have done is obviously purchase it direct from Starlink. I may have a referral code that I can link below. I actually used another creator's link, and I'm sure they got a nice referral bump, which is great because as creators, some of us don't get paid that much, and so these little referral codes help, and especially if we're promoting. I think there is some politics to this company, and I'm going to keep that out of the video because connectivity and Starlink has the corner of the market right now, and I do have a business that I am running, and at times I need to stay connected. So that's the bottom line. There's so many reasons why this may be attractive to some of you. I would think that, you know, here I sit in my Airstream. A lot of us may be in the retirement phase of life, and having reliable connectivity means a lot. So the cost of this in Canadian dollars, I got a discount and I ended up paying $350. Then I subscribed to a $50 a month, but actually that is US, so it's $85 a month. Let's unbox. All right, I'm gonna rip the tab. Ugh. Oh man, it is stronger than I am. Oh, there's even one more tab. What the? Oh yeah, it really pops open. Wow, this is quite the unboxing, right? Ooh, look at that. So there's very easy instructions that come right on the box. Pop open the leg, plug in the wire, connect it to a modem, it looks like. Download. I did download already when I was in cell Wi-Fi service. I did download the Starlink.com app. I'm going to find my satellite, connect to the Wi-Fi. So it looks like fairly easy, 5 steps. So man, this looks like it's like 8 by 11, almost like just bigger, a little bit bigger than a piece of paper. That's cool. Here's the little stand it was talking about. Pop that open. I can see the little, where the wire goes. All right. Here is the cable. Here is the little modem that has to be plugged in. Although I do have little jackery power sources as well. So, and then this is it says it slides in this way. Let me see. Yeah, screw this way. Oh, I think there's a pipe accessory. My gorgeous Decton countertop that I'm still so happy with. It's so nice. Oh no, that's it. There is no pipe, but I think you can buy other accessories for establishing it, like even on top of a trailer. So we could have something that it sits on my Airstream all of the time, so it's very secure. But I want to be able to have this mobile. Like really, it's incredibly small. This would fit in a suitcase, so if you needed, say even in Europe. Now my coverage is for North America, but I think it might just be an upgrade of service. Oh, I see, and there's little flanges on there that make it, and it's almost like a pressure fit because these will make it waterproof. If you wanted to put on that this piece for securing it to a pipe, like on the side of a house or whatever. You have to do that first and then put this in there, I suppose. Yes, because then you would put it through here. For now, no, I'm just gonna put it on the ground for now. There we go. I'll take it outside. This goes here, right into there. That's easy. Now I need a power source. So I have a little plug-in outside of my trailer, but even if I didn't have that, if you are a tenter, you could get a little mobile battery and I could plug it in here. But most, I think, trailers have external power. Let's go into the app now. So I've got this established, put it out there. And so let's go outside, and then there is a process for setting it up. There it is, Starlink. Now it says Starlink to find a device on the local network. Allow Starlink. Oh, so because I'm establishing my link through the campgrounds network, I don't think there is cell service here. So I guess, yeah, I have to allow it. Preview installation. Yard on the go. So this, it says, what kind are you? Clear view and keep it away from tall obstructions. So yes, in this area that I'm camping, it's quite open. You'll be able to use your device's camera to see which parts of the sky are blocked and where the best spots are for your Starlink. Great. Continue. Okay, now I pointed at the sky. Let's go outside. What is happening? I'm going around in this circle here. Next. Oh, okay. I'm so impressed with their app because it actually really does show you, has videos for everything. Oh, there's that pole type of installation. Start setup. And now I clicked on here on they start the setup. Now it's asking me what I have purchased, and I bought the Mini. Confirm. Find the best spot. Your Starlink will need to be outdoors with a clear view of the sky. It is. It's sitting out on the picnic table. And then I have a clear view. And then I have a location. My Starlink is plugged in. Connect to Starlink. This is it. Oh, then I have to do it from my apps. Where is it? Personal hotspots? What's it considered? Oh, there it is there. So just under the Wi-Fi settings, then you click Starlink. Was it that easy? What? Oh my God, I'm on. So let's see. I'll do a test first on my cell. Yeah, it just refreshed. I've got 3 bars. Yeah, looks like it's working. Okay, let's try the iPad. Okay, I just jumped on. So how do I secure it? Okay, so what I found on the app is change the Wi-Fi name and secure it with an actual password, which is important. So yes, you have this home screen. It shows you my Mini. It actually gave me a button here that it said, did I want to set up the secure Wi-Fi and my name? So that was even easy. Just had to double check it on Google, and I was connected through it even when I was searching it, so that was nice. But yeah, I'm on, and it's super fast. Let me see, how can I test the speed of Wi-Fi? Let's see. I know there's websites that you just go to. Oh, you can actually run a speed test from Starlink. Kind of want to look it up through a different app just to double check. 200 megabytes, powered by Netflix. So my internet speed is 170 megabytes per second. It says 170 megabytes per second is exceptionally fast and far beyond average. Nice. I guess also there is a difference between upload and download speeds, but that's just in general what it said. That is much better than, I wonder what the old one was that I was on for the campsites. It was really easy to set up. Plug and play, really. That was fun. So look at this. This girl figured it out. It was pretty easy, and there's videos. The only thing I would suggest is while you're still at home, download Starlink app and maybe do the setup at home, because I found that without a Wi-Fi to rely on here at the campground. It would have been a little bit more tricky, because even to just access other videos and the internet to look up certain things, but it might have been easier to just do it at home while I had my home, my secure home Wi-Fi, and not when you're already in a remote place with limited Wi-Fi. Because I found with this Wi-Fi, it was skipping, it was slow at times, it would bump you off at times. So, and that's the way it goes with camping and campsites. You're in these rural areas and you're in it because you want to connect to nature and for all the good things. But when you need your phone, when you need your Wi-Fi, and we are so reliant on this stuff now, you want it when you want it. And you don't want to run to the bridge to get connection to be able to text back someone. So that's the video. I love it, and it's going to be very useful this summer for all of our road trips that we're doing. So I hope you're enjoying the summer, and I'll see you on the next one.